Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from DigitalOcean Kubernetes cluster nodes gracefully, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from DigitalOcean Kubernetes cluster nodes gracefully, start by logging into your DigitalOcean account. Navigate to the Kubernetes section of the DigitalOcean control panel. Select the cluster from which you want to withdraw the nodes. Verify the current status of your cluster and its nodes. Use the command line interface to access your cluster via kubectl. Run the command to drain the node you wish to withdraw. This command will evict all the pods running on the node. Make sure to add the ignore daemonsets flag if there are any daemonsets running. You may also want to add the force flag if necessary. Check the status of the node to confirm it is marked as unschedulable. Once the node is drained, you can safely remove it from the cluster. Use the DigitalOcean control panel or the command line to initiate the removal process. If you are using the command line, run the command to delete the node. Confirm the action and monitor the cluster's status. After the node is removed, verify that your remaining nodes are functioning correctly. Ensure that the workloads are evenly distributed among the active nodes. Consider scaling your cluster if necessary to accommodate the workloads. Review the cluster's overall health and performance after the withdrawal. Finally, document the changes for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.